We have a PSA card right here. It fits great in the stand. Obviously, we can adjust that depending on the angle and how far up we want it propped. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the BCW card stands. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here, letting us know that it's a two-piece clear stand and there's 20 stands included. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. You can see we have 2 pieces per stand and we have 20 stands in the box. And you can see what the stand looks like assembled right here. So to assemble the stand, go ahead, line it up like you see right here. So you can see we have the 2, I'll call them points at the end. And then we have our triangular piece on this side that's going to face those 2 points. So to get it installed, the best way I found is just to kind of line it up diagonally and then twist it around and in place. And there you go. We have now successfully installed our stand. And then we can just move that back as desired depending on what we're trying to display. So now let's go ahead, let's try it out with some cards. So check it out, you can see what the stands look like now with some cards installed. Everything is working great and they look great. So first up, you can see we have a PSA card right here. It fits great in the stand. Obviously, we can adjust that depending on the angle and how far up we want it propped, but I'm really pleased that it's, very far up. I like to have it, basically about as vertical as it can go. This looks really nice. No issues with the weight or the size of the card on the stand. And then just for fun, I went ahead, I grabbed a top loader as well so you could see it with something else displayed too. But no issues there, depending on the weight or the size of the card you're trying to display. If you're looking for an affordable stand, you're really gonna enjoy these. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.